Is Viewfruit really an easy way to earn $5 fast, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of different free ways to make some extra money online, and one of the methods is Viewfruit, and many viewers have asked me about an updated review about it, and therefore I decided to record this Viewfruit review and tutorial where I'll show you step by step exactly how it works so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join, and Viewfruit is available in around 35 different countries, and sometimes they are actively looking for members in some countries and not in others. On my website, you can see right now on the screen here, I will leave a link to this one below. This is where I will keep it updated with countries that I know they are currently looking for, and I will do update that when I know that they're looking for some potentially in other countries. So you can check that out after watching this tutorial if you find out this is the right one for you. So I have now looked into Viewfruit, and it is actually a very easy to use paid service site. And once you log in, you can see right away, you see something called open service. This is where you can see the current service. Right now, I do not have any, but in general, in my experience, there are quite a decent number of paid surveys on Viewfruit, and in many cases also paid surveys that you cannot necessarily find on other platforms, which is definitely a huge benefit. You can also go there to these survey in the menu, go to the lucky survey. This is kind of profile survey, sometimes things like this. So I would recommend you also check that out there and make sure to fill out some of these other surveys, because that can help you to qualify for more of these others higher paying surveys. And overall, now I can't show you an example because I'm unlucky that right as of recording there are no paid surveys, but in general they do pay quite decently for the surveys compared to other service sites. In addition to that, sometimes when you do not qualify for a survey, you will still get a small reward. You will get lucky draws just for participating, and you can see there's a banner there. You can also see it in the menu, and this is your chance to potentially win really big prizes also. So let's just go there, and you can just see here how many chances you have, and you see you have one chance remaining right now. So I just need to then use that. I can just click here to go, and then I'll just wait. It'll just see if I win anything, and you can see then I did not win this one. That's just how it is. I did not win a prize, but if you're lucky, you can see you actually win points, and you can win up to 100,000 points, which is worth $200. So that is a pretty good thing, and you get these chances just by participating, and also sometimes when you do not qualify for the survey. So of course you will not always win, as you can see, but sometimes you can win, you see 10 points, 100 points, 5,000 points, 500 points, and even up to 100,000 points. So definitely worth being aware that you can use this option. There's also one other way, doing small daily polls. So let's also talk about that before going over how you can get your earnings out, which is of course very important to know. So in the menu, you can see something called Vote, and this is kind of a daily poll, and you can see you can just answer this short question. It takes you like 1 second or something like that, and you can, these are like created by other members. You can see you can also create your own. Just need to be aware this is more like a social aspect. This is actually not something you as such will earn by doing. So if you're just here to earn, then you should not waste too much time on this, even though it just takes a few seconds. But it can still be interesting to be aware that it is there. Sometimes it can be interesting to participate and interact with other members. But let's also go over how you can then get paid, so you can see if it offers payout methods that you prefer, or if you prefer other platforms instead. So if you go to the menu, it's called My Wallet, and you can go to redeem, and this is where you can see the payout options you have. You can't actually see what payout option it is. You can see the value of it, but let me just reveal right away, the payout option is PayPal. So you can get paid in cash, which is really great. And you can do it already when you have earned $5. So it is a very low payout threshold. And it is actually quite fast to reach the $5 in most countries. So you can quite easily earn $5, and you can also earn more if you just keep being active. You can see from the conversion there that $5 you would need 2,500 points for that. So that means like 500 points is worth $1. So that's just something to be aware of. But as you can see, you can then withdraw like 5, or you can wait until you have earned more if you prefer, and then wait until you earned $100 and just get it paid at once. That is completely up to you. Personally, I think that if it's your first time using it, then I would definitely make sure to use one of the lower ones so you also personally can see it does pay. I know Viewfruit is legit. I have been working with this website for years, and many viewers on my channel and visitors to my website have been paid by it. But I would recommend that if it's your first time, just take one of the small amounts so you can also see for yourself. And of course, be aware, any kind of fraud, any kind of trying to fake your country, trying to cheat with the service, that of course will get you banned, and then you will not get your earnings. Just to clarify that, that's how it is on all service sites. But I know sometimes people get tempted, so don't do that. That will just get you banned. But anyways, as you can see, then every Monday the payments will be processed, and then you will get paid in 1 or 5 working days. So the payout processing is also fairly fast. So overall, I do think that Viewfruit is a great paid service site. I would say I wouldn't join it as the only paid service site, but if you live in one of the countries where it is currently looking for new members, I would say it can be a nice extra service site because it has a very low payout threshold that is easy to reach, and it has this great lucky draw where you can potentially earn some really great extra prizes, and it just pays decently for the service and is easy to use. I will leave a link below to the page I showed earlier with the countries where I know it is currently recruiting, so you can go there and find a link to the platform in your country, because it has platforms specifically for each country, so you can easily find that through the link there. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.